This is a 2015 Acura MDX. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Sound Package, a voice-activated navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, a sunroof, heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, the Acura Link satellite communication system, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.